Hello and welcome to the video. Today I'm going to share with you a secret trick to play YouTube in the background while using other apps. You'll be surprised to hear that you can play YouTube in the background while using other apps or turning your screen off without a premium. So to get the YouTube to do that, you just need to use a desktop site in your browser. So in order to do that, you will have to first open your phone settings and scroll down and find your app locker. Then scroll down all the way down till you find YouTube. Once you open YouTube, you're going to scroll down and you're going to click on set as default and then turn off open supported links. Once you do that, you're just going to open any web browser you have available. Right now I'm just going to open my Chrome and then search for youtube.com right here. Once you do that, you're going to have to log into your account and then play any video that you want. For example, I'm going to play this first video right here. And if I go to my home screen, as you can see, nothing happens right now, but if I click on these three dots right now and then turn on the desktop site and then play the video, now if I go to my home screen, you can see the video is now playing in the background. So I can play other apps and use other apps, but the video will keep on playing in the background. And this is an easy way to get the YouTube to play in the background without a premium. Thank you for watching.